Hey, baby.
Oh, hello.
What are we doing?
We vibing.
Doing what?
Hotel life in it.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fantastic. It's midnight.
It really is, guys. My mom's in the air.
It's Tuesday.
I work today.
I work tomorrow.
You work today, too. We're waiting on Muma. Okay, bye.
Tuesday.
Hey, guys.
Hi!
What are we doing?
Well, we was going to Typhoon Lagoon, but they decided that we needed princess protection at the Blizzard Beach today.
Can't do coasters, but it's okay. She's never been.
Never been anyway, so it's good.
It's gonna be great. Yeah, she's here, by the way.
I'm here.
Old woman. We got sunscreen on.
Yay!
We're going on
Protection.
the gondolas now.
Help me, Jesus.
Hey guys.
Hey!
This is scary.
Through the doors and past the guards, just like she already owned it. I said, can you give it back to me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew every line.
Oh my God.
But I know that I won't forget her, 'cause we danced all night.
We got to get wet.
No, we're not going to get that.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're going this way.
He's going under the fountain. Oh, Lord.
They can get wet.
You get wet?
No!
It's nice.
I love that.
We're in the cave with the moccasins.
I said, can I take you home with me? She said,
Hey,
Hi!
how was the lazy river?
It was so relaxed.
We went around twice. We got snotted on though.
No, I didn't.
how it goes, but I know that I won't forget her, 'cause we danced all night to the best song ever. I think it went oh, oh, oh. I think it went yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it goes.
We're on the gondola again.
My favorite ride.
LOL.
Remember you and I know, you know, I know you remember me and you know.
It was very faster this time.
Oh. We're in the wave pool that's not really wavy.
It's a small wavy pool, and I'm cold, believe it or
Yeah,
not.
it's cold. We're gonna go see Lakey Poo. Yay!
And we danced all night.
Met Lakey.
Oh.
Hey guys, Chancel's here. We're at Golden Corral.
Golden Corral.
I'm nervous. That's not an alien. This is the nastiest food I've ever eaten in my life. I said I was nervous. Know why? After the nastiest dinner of all time, we came back to the hotel. And what are we doing?
We playing Uno after the greatest dinner of all time.
He lying.
Yeah, livers and gravy.
Okay, well, maybe not the liver, but the rest of it.
Mm-mm.